So enthalpy is basically এটার ডেফিনিশনটা কিছু জিনিস তোমরা লিখে নাও। The definition is it is the measure, it's the measure of the total energy of a system. So in this chapter, in this enthalpy chapter, we are concerned with two types of energy, chemical energy and the other is heat energy. So chemical energy is of two types. Kinetic energy, it's made up of kinetic energy and potential energy. So kinetic energy, it's the measure of the motion, measure of the motion of the particles in a substance. And potential energy is the measure of how strongly these particles interact with one another. Interact with one another. So this is the kinetic and potential energy. So heat energy is a type of potential energy. Heat energy is the portion of kinetic energy portion of potential energy and kinetic energy of a substance that is responsible for the temperature of the substance. Heat energy is directly proportional to its absolute temperature in Kelvin. So in any reaction, we know that there are two parts. One is the system, and the other part is the surrounding. So we just learned that enthalpy is the measure of the total energy present in a system. So suppose this is our reaction vessel. This is our reaction vessel. And then here we have the reactants, we have the products, and then we have the stirrer, the thermometer, and we have the air surrounding the reaction vessel. So anything apart from the reactants and products, anything apart from the reactants and products are part of the surrounding. Why? Because the reactants and products are the place where bonds are broken, bonds are formed. And what is an enthalpy change? An enthalpy change is the energy change happening within a chemical reaction.